Hey my crafty friends, Stephanie here, and I just wanted to share with you some new items I got delivered today. This is a coordinating die to Wild Rose, a die and stamp set that I'm going to be making for our class this week, so I'll show you my projects later on. This is a really cool background stamp. It ends up looking like a piece of wood. It's going to be really cool. I can't wait to use that. It's a big one. And this has a daisy lane. This is a coordinating punch and flower stamp set. The punch coordinates with one of the flowers in the set. Super cute. I can't wait to use that. I'm also going to use that for my class this week. And I will post pictures to show you. And this is really cool because I've been waiting to get is a set of 4 of the wide stamp set cases. And this is cool to hold your extra tools. I'm using it to hold this Memories and More Magnolia Lane extras set. So it came with all these extra little pieces, and it'll be easier to see what's inside. And I always like to keep the label so I know what's in there. Oh, this is a cool piece of vellum that was still in there. Very pretty. So I'll cut the label off the front so that I know if I want to reorder more what I have in that container. And then there's a pocket in the very front of the case. You can just slip it inside. That way you always know what you have in the container. And there's room for a lot more if you really like it and you want to get some more. Plenty of room to store that. So it comes with 4 boxes, and I was using it to hold, I was using the regular stamp cases to hold my jewels and rhinestones and embellishments. And I couldn't get any more in that slim case. So this is going to be perfect to hold more. There's a lot more room to add to this case. I use the slim case also to hold my Stampin chamois, which is really yucky because I use it a lot. And this was a cool pack. It is a card pack and envelope. This is the very vanilla, and it measures 3.5 by 5. Comes with the envelope. It's already scored to fold your cards. Super cute. If you have any classes or you're going to make a lot of cards, this is perfect, and you can use the container, the case, to hold the rest of the cards. And I've been wanting to get these little spritzers because I have the champagne all-purpose mist. Really pretty. You add it to the spritzer bottle. You just add a few drops. Then you add the rubbing alcohol, and then you can spray it to give like some kind of effect on your projects. It'll spritz pretty little gold flecks and leave it on your paper. When I use it, I'll post another video to show, but this is going to be a really cool dimension to add to your card. And this is a pretty lace trim that I just ordered, the scalloped edge lace. And this is my favorite tool, white polka dot tool ribbon. This is really cool because you can match it to anything. If you have the markers, you can just color it, or if you have spare ink, you can dye it, put it in a little Ziploc bag. Really pretty. You can match it to anything because it's white. You can color it any color. And this is the new catalog. Flipping through to show you some of my favorite things. Some things I have, some things I need. But this is a fun catalog. This is my favorite for all my crafty people. This is one you're going to need. I can't wait. I'm going to use this one tonight to make some thank you cards for my customers. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.